Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. Unfortunately we cannot tap on them in order to customize them. It is because we are using the time and the time zone which are set automatically. So first of all we have to turn off those switchers, and right now we can freely tap on date. As you can see from this calendar we can pick it, so let me randomly choose this one, tap on OK, it will be immediately applied, and the same situation with the time. From this clock we can pick the hour, so let me pick 3:30 a.m. Tap on OK, and as you can see it will be right here and also displayed on the status bar. Let's pick the time zone, tap on the region, and here of course we've got the full list of available time zones from which we can choose, available regions basically. So just find yours and tap on it. Let me pick Vietnam. Let's go back, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. However, of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got also the options which are connected with the time format, so this is the option you can also customize. Currently we are using 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher here. It will be also immediately applied, or you can simply pick local default. It's up to you. So this is the whole customization of the date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.